What's up, guys? So we are going to do something special today. So we are going for a trip to
Camping.
Okay, so we are going camping. Okay, so this is something that I have never done. We have done smaller camping here and there, but this is something today we are doing it totally by ourselves. So hopefully, let's see how the experience is going to be. I'm just warming up the car. It's almost done, so we are on the way. We are late. देखो दूध दूध लाना भूल गई दूध लेके आ रही है मिल गया
Yes, so cheap.
गुड ओके तो हम लोग बहुत ही ट्रैफिक में फंस गए थे बहुत ही ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक था अभी हम मगधी रोड में हैं और अभी 15 और किलोमीटर दिखा रहा है 20 मिनट के आसपास सो आई थिंक विल बी देयर कहीं से हम लोग को इंटरनल रोड लेना पड़ेगा सो विल डू दैट एंड ठीक है तो चलिए चलते हैं वी हैव ऑलमोस्ट रीच लाइक 1 किलोमीटर अवे द व्यू इज प्रीटी ऑसम roads are pretty narrow so just trying to
Monkeys all around.
find our way see look at the view it's nice pretty nice show them अच्छे हैं रास्ते देखो व्हाट इज दिस ऑल दिस
खूबसूरत streams. बंदर भी है बहुत सारे.
yeah but the problem is there's no signal
Yeah, I don't know if
I don't know how to call
anybody.
the guy
I think we're almost there.
where should I
We're
turn
almost there. Almost.
there? Oh it's on the top of
Yeah.
the hill it's a climb it's a climb
Street
it's a little sandy patch just that remember to maintain your momentum lovely off-road super fun Duster is doing good as of now because it's dry so I think it's the tires can find some grip so we are doing good I think we are almost about to reach Google said that you have already reached the place just remember that you have to continue on the same road Google will say that you have reached and it will show that the place is there but you just have to continue on this same road if you continue I think the owner I just spoke to him he said it's on the right side the gate to enter the farm so anyways hopefully we'll be there soon so how's it
nice.
how's
And
the
I see
adventure
fun it is but so many.
I think it will be awesome if you come here with a dirt bike
Yeah.
then it will be like but it's like our kind of fun I don't know whether you will have fun or not but yeah super place does that come here there are a lot of thorns and all that just that come here with a taller a car with a bigger ground like more ground clearance otherwise you might scrape it anyways I think we have reached and I see a gate on the right side
Yeah, this is the one.
I think this is the one yeah I think this is the one so I'll just go and open the gate so this is the place lot of lot of opportunity for off-road I see couple of cars also parked here and there's my Duster killing it this is the road that we took you can see Pretty nice. There are some trails up here as well, and this way as well. So maybe if I get to come here with my dirt bike, it will be super fun. Any dirt bike or any bike, like just to have fun off road will be nice. All right, let's get in and let's see.
Yeah. the, yeah, the car should also have fun. Come, come. Oh God, it's getting scratched left, right, and center. Okay, so this is the place where we will place our tent.
So is the vehicle living its true life today?
Today, yes, finally.
Five is when I bought this place. I bought it from my aunt itself.
Okay.
She had bought it in '92.
Okay.
So ever since 2005, I had someone else to take care. That doesn't work at all.
Right.
Remote farming
Yeah.
just doesn't work. So I already had a mind to come out of IT. So 40th year of
You
my
were in
life,
IT?
I have worked for 20 years in IT.
I am already giving up. I worked for like what 13 years, 14 years
years,
now. I'm
yeah.
already giving up.
Yeah, I can understand. I know. See, we know the inner stories, okay?
Yeah, I'm already I'm
People
like done.
outside, they'll say,
Wow.
Such
fool this
wonderful
guy is.
life,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, living off that beautiful life. I was in Nordics, stationed in
yeah.
Sweden. Okay,
Okay.
what a fool he is to give up such a life and come here and do this thing.
It's so much
Farming,
more
yeah.
better than that.
We know the things.
Yeah.
Okay, I
I'm
don't
already. I'm
regret
just
it,
telling. I was actually talking to today morning. Someone called me. Andhra Karnataka border. They're selling some farmland. So they're selling in terms of guntas and all that, right? So he was giving me a quotation and all that. So they said, if you want a farmhouse, we'll build it. But the problem is, it's kind of
But I'll just tell you, hold on to that dream of yours. It is definitely not as easy
As it seems, yeah.
okay? Very difficult. There is nothing called labor.
yeah. You have to do it
It's
everything.
you and your own
Yeah.
Hard
hands
work.
and hard work. That's all. Okay, you can't trust anyone.
Yeah.
So as long as you can decide to come out and do it yourself, whatever minimum stuff you can do, that's good enough.
Go for that.
Go for it. You'll have some dream realization there. Otherwise, if you depend on it, I have heard a lot of people saying, I'll buy a farmland, I'll have someone to take care of it. Just doesn't work. So
Good information.
Yeah.
Because they were saying that we'll take care of it.
Take care of it, yeah.
doesn't work.
Doesn't
Next
work.
one day you'll learn that.
The day they make the payment.
Yeah.
But why are you doing this?
You tell me.
Do it that side, that side.
All right, this is the place that we're camping, Chiguru Eco-space. Let me just show you around how we have set up our camp. For now, we have just pitched our tent, and we didn't have anything, so we are just cooking Maggie just for a snack. But we have got a lot of food that we are carrying. We got chicken, we got fish, so we are going to show you that. But for now, just look at the setup. So this is the tent. This is a 3% tent. It's a fresh and black, so it's completely dark inside so that you can sleep till late. And so this is the water filter, this is the cooking setup, and she's cooking some Maggie.
Maggie and chai.
Maggie and chai. So this water, just remember, so we have set up a dustbin there. Just remember, if you're camping like this, always carry something where you can collect your garbage and later throw it at a garbage disposal. So yeah, so we are doing that. This is the car is doing good. uh, Tasting off-road for the first time, most probably. Lovely place. So yeah.
Okay, let's go and see what's cooking. What's cooking?
We're cooking, frying some fish.
Oh, nice.
We're frying some tawa fry, some sear fish, and some Sprite along with it because it's a no alcohol zone. So we are just camping today without alcohol. So yeah, and some fish. Can you show them?
Looks yum.
Hopefully it's good. We got it marinated at
home
yesterday night,
Hmm.
and then we froze it overnight, and then we carried it today, and now we are frying it.
Okay, I'll taste and see how it
Okay.
is. Good morning. So this is the sunrise at 7 a.m. We woke up like 10 minutes back, and we'll go get freshen up and be ready for a hike. So we'll keep you guys posted. It's a beautiful sunrise.
So this morning we are out for an expedition to see the entire place. It's very beautiful. So we're looking at the trees, and we're looking at different species of animals and birds. So we're just crossing a stream. Just go jump. It's just the next.
Fall. I will jump. I will fall.
So uncle is showing us around.
Okay, we came back from the trek
trek, yeah, the morning trek.
morning trek, and
Yeah,
now
it was a long 2 hours trek. Nice it was. Now
Yeah.
we're so hungry.
super duper hungry.
We were just making some breakfast. So how was your last night?
Peaceful. I slept like a baby.
Yeah. There was so much sounds and things like that all around. You didn't even bother.
I didn't hear a thing.
Yeah.
So we are making bread and egg.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to show you guys the flowers. Small.
Did you tell them the mongoose came?
Yeah, we don't know what it was.
What it was, your uncle? I spoke to uncle. He said, yeah, there are a lot of mongoose here.
Oh.
I said, yeah, he came, he saw, he went. He said, yeah, they're very peaceful.
So tiny, tiny, beautiful flowers everywhere.
All right.
Okay.
We'll go for another trek most probably after this, right?
Yes.
After at least some food.
Yeah.
And we'll see. Okay.